Okay, right. So welcome back. This is our fifth lecture, okay, of shares and debentures, company accounts and audit, June 2022 CMA intermediate. ठीक है, तो फिफ्थ लेक्चर है शेयर्स एंड डिबेंचर्स का. तो हम पिछले इसमें ये 3 जर्नल एंट्रीज देख चुके हैं हम, ठीक है, एप्लीकेशन का. और हम थर्ड एंट्री देख रहे थे ट्रांसफर टू शेयर कैपिटल में, where share application debited to share capital to securities premium. So this was a third entry where the money which is received under share application is transferred to share capital. Share application debited to share capital to securities premium. So, and I showed the accounts here to you. Here, like share capital account is there here. Similarly, will be a securities premium. This is also credit balance account. Okay, securities premium. So all capital will be credited to share capital here. Okay, and premium amount will be credited separately to premium securities premium. So हम देखेंगे आगे, ठीक है, शेयर प्रीमियम का डिस्कशन होगा. एट दिस स्टेज हम उतना डिटेल में नहीं जा रहे, ठीक है. So we are not taking this in detail now because we will be discussing about securities premium in time to come. So shares cannot be issued at a discount. So company account now has prohibited. There was some time when we were all studying, that time issue at a discount was possible, but your 2013 Act has put a stop to that. अब shares को discount में issue नहीं किया जा सकता, illegal है, ठीक है. So shares cannot be issued at a discount. Then we are, so first installment part is over. Now second installment. See, premium is normally not collected with application, but this can be a rare case, which is why we have just showed it here. Rare case where premium is asked along with application. Normally premium is not asked along with application. Okay, it's asked with allotment normally. Okay, so let's see. So for allotment, now for application, your money was first received because you did not know how many people are going to subscribe to the issue, correct? So which is why the cash received entry is first. But now after application, now you have dates, the due dates. So the due entries will be first now going forward. Okay. So here, if you see, share allotment debited to share capital to securities premium. Securities premium normally will be here. Okay, normally it's going to be here. Securities premium. Okay, it will not be with the application, but sometimes to confuse you, they can ask for premium in another installment, any other installment. Okay, just be careful about that. ठीक है, अलर्ट रहना है कि सिक्योरिटीज प्रीमियम किस इंस्टॉलमेंट के साथ पूछा है, एप्लीकेशन के साथ या और कोई इंस्टॉलमेंट के साथ, कॉल के साथ, ठीक है. आप कंफ्यूज करने के लिए वो किया जा सकता है, लेकिन नॉर्मली ये जो पैटर्न है, यानी जो नॉर्मली जो मार्केट ट्रेंड चलता आ रहा है, ये अलॉटमेंट के साथ ही मांगा जाता है प्रीमियम, ठीक है. सो when this is done, फिर okay, receipt of allotment. So bank account will be debited always when money is received. If some person has not paid, in the example we saw that one person for 2.5 rupees he did not pay allotment, correct? We had seen in one example. So what he did not pay, that you will write here. Okay, and the total money will be, the share allotment will be credited by the total money. Okay, so this will close your share allotment account, this one. And what is this last calls in advance? Some people, okay, might pay the future installments now. Some people who say who are not available or something like that, for all future, they know all future two installments are 2.5. So they'll pay 5 per share on all their shares along with allotment. Okay, if that happens, then you have to use this calls in advance, and this money will be added to the bank account. Okay, that's how this will be done. You see a problem there, it will be clear. ठीक है, समझ गए आप कि ये कैसे रहेगा. इसका प्रॉब्लम करेंगे तो आपको समझेगा ज्यादा, कि थोड़े उसमें फिगर्स डाल के जब बताएंगे तो आपको ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. ठीक है. फिर है आपका 6, आपका सेम चीज अब कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, अब रिपीट कर रहे हैं भाई. अब कॉल के लिए कर रहे हैं. शेयर कॉल डेबिटेड टू शेयर कैपिटल. ये सेम एंट्री जो हमने अलॉटमेंट में देखी. ठीक है, बैंक डेबिटेड, कॉल्स इन एरियर्स डेबिटेड. ओके. और यहाँ पे देखिए कॉल्स इन एडवांस को क्यों डेबिट किया गया. अगर पिछले एंट्री में उसने पहले ही पैसे दे दिया, जिसने अगर पहले ही आपके पिछले एंट्री में उसने अगर पैसे दे दिया है हमको, ठीक है, तो वो पैसे अभी फिर से नहीं देगा वो, है ना. तो बैंक अकाउंट में उतने पैसे कम आएंगे क्योंकि वो पिछली बार दे दिया था. तो इसीलिए आप वो वाली कॉल्स इन एडवांस को यहाँ लिखेंगे. ओके, ये तीनों चीज डेबिट होती है आपकी टू शेयर कॉल अकाउंट. इसके साथ शेयर कॉल क्लोज हो जाता है. इसके बाद के जितने भी कॉल्स होंगे ये आपके ये 6 और 7 बस रिपीट करते जाना है. ये नंबर 6 और ये नंबर 7 रिपीट होते जाएंगे फॉर ऑल कॉल्स, सेम एंट्रीज. Okay, so here share call is share call account debited to share capital, same as allotment. See, and here for money received, bank account debited, calls in arrears which is not paid, which the person has not paid, and this one no, calls in advance. This is in the previous installment. If he had already paid in advance for calls, he will not pay now again, right? So your bank account will be little less by that amount, and that amount will be showed in this calls in arrears. Then if you total all these three, you will get the amount will equal your share call account credit balance. Okay, so this is how it will